So we're gonna get these replaced here. As you can see, they're really nasty. I bought it like this. Get these refurbished. This one is a little worse than the other one. You can see the oxidization really taking effect. But again, down here, it's not looking good. Real rough. Hello everyone, so here we are with the lights off. This is after that professional headlight restoration. It looks immaculate, literally brand new. And then of course, here's the new parts installed. Huge difference here. Beautiful, crisp and clear. Looks fantastic. This was the one that was the most beat up. As you can see, crystal clear. See my own reflection. You even see that bluish tint again that Saab was known for. And down here, beautiful. You can see I have LEDs installed. They look really good. I'll show you a video with the lights on here in a second. Total cost was $325.25. That was for the professional headlight restoration. They sand the clear coat completely off the headlights. Then they, do whatever polishing they need to do. Then they reapply a new clear coat to the headlights. So they're basically factory. They look amazing, and they look even better with the lights on. And then it was, I had just paid labor. The bumper has to be removed in order to access these molding panels here and here in the fog lights. And then they just punched in the ones that I already supplied. I already brought the bulbs. So in total, with the parts for the 2 fog lights and the molding strips, that was about $150. Plus this is about $500 to get my headlights and all these lights completely restored. The next step, of course, is to either get a wrap on this car or to paint it to get it up to with speed 100%. But yeah, she's looking really nice. Really nice. Here's the after.